Hey guys, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Trophy, coming at you with another video. I am so happy to be with you guys once again. Thank you for choosing to watch my channel, and thank you to all those who have subscribed to my channel. I really love you guys, and I'm blessed to have you all as my followers. Please follow me on all my social medias. My information will be in the information box below this video. I have an Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and I have 2 YouTube channels, Tansy Time TV and Tansy the Trophy. Please check me out. All right, guys? Y'all be blessed. Enjoy the video. Thumbs up. Love you. Bye. I just turned it inside out. As you can tell, it's inside out. That's the side that it's supposed to be on. But I turned it inside out. Y'all can see that. Yeah. And I put a pin on this side, the left and the right side, and one in the middle. And I'm going to pull this down. And yeah, I'm about to add some lace. I got this Swiss lace from my local beauty supply. It was $2.99. I'm going to use this, and it shows you how they do it. Lace closure, lace front closure for wig making. Stretchable lace net. Grade 150, 15 by 15. Superior quality, very versatile. Swiss lace for making lace wig foundation. This is Dream World. Grade 150. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna, what I want to do is place the lace a little bit further than this. So you need to give yourself room with the lace. So leave a little bit of lace like right here, because eventually you're going to have to cut around the hairline, and you want this lace to be there just in case you want to decide how much lace you want to show up in your install. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back. Then I'm going to take it like this, pull it down to where the mannequin's eyebrows are, or where your eyebrows would be. Pull it a little bit over the forehead. And then take the pins. I'm just going to use the pins that I have already. Just where you want it. Okay. Y'all can see that. And then it'll shift it up a little bit. So you want to pull it back some. Take the pin. Now guys, I use T-pins. They're pretty strong. This is a mannequin head. And guys, I got these mannequin heads from my local beauty supply store for a steal. Basically like $5. Just get the old mannequins that they keep the wigs on. I think I'm gonna put it like this. And guys, try to save as much as you can of the lace. And I'm trying not to. Okay. And however far you put it back, that's how far the lace is gonna go. The frontal hairline. I can see that. There you go. And now I'm going to take. Okay, guys. So I used a highlighter to go ahead and draw it on there. Y'all can see that. It's ear to ear, just about. And you can draw a little ear placement where you don't want the like right in here. Maybe curve it so that you can cover your ear, or you can just cut the lace after you completed the little frontal. So now it's time to sew. And guys, you can use either 2 needles threaded, or you can use just 1. It's up to you. I normally like to use 2, but for the sake of this video, sometimes I'll sew from here to here with 1 needle, then I'll sew from here to the other end with another needle. You can use 2 needles, or you could just sew with 1 needle, like I'm about to do. Okay? So you just go over here. And guys, make sure you get it into the cap and the lace. I think you got a little knot. This stuff happens, guys, when you're making wigs. Don't expect it to be perfect, because it's never going to be perfect. But it can be popping. You feel me? And just go in. And what I like to do is pull it through and then loop it underneath. And then I also like to, once I do that, go up, I go back on that same stitch, or like they call it a back stitch. I go underneath that. And then pull this through again. Let me see if I can get y'all a little bit closer. So, see, y'all can see that. And I'm sewing on the line that I drew. Go through. Pull it through. Okay, pull it through the wig cap. And you see this little opening? Pull it through that. And then you pull it together. Okay? So keep doing that. I'm going to do it a couple more. Make sure it didn't pop. Okay. Be very careful when you're cutting this lace off, guys. There you go. So now, what you're going to do, since remember, you turned this inside out, the cap, you can tell it's inside out because you can see it feels harder to, like, if it was on your head, it feels kind of hard versus the other side, which is soft. I don't know. But I'm going to show you. Just take these off, like I said. Take these off and get you some more scissors. I'm gonna have to find my other pair of scissors. This ain't working. And guys, that's just how it is. Nobody's perfect. Even though some of us strive to be. You just take this off. Like I said, it's inside out. There's no, you see the little band. Like this is the inside of the cap. So this will be the outside. You can't really see the sewn part of it. Like this is the seam. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say, the seam. If you turn it this way, you can't really see the seam. It's more seamless. It's a better finish. But you can tell it's the inside because there's a seam where the elastic meets this. So now you're going to take this and open it. This can be very difficult. This is more harder than cutting off the lace at the beginning. So I'm back, y'all. So basically, I'm going to try and do this on camera, but stay as far away from the lace and the thread. So I'm just taking my time. Okay, almost got it that time. Ooh, don't do that. Now, I'm not going to go into this part area just yet, because I'm making sure I get all of this out. And you can also go to the other side and do it. Now I'm just going to keep on going. Okay, so that's that. So far, I've got this much done. Okay. Now I'm going to go in here where my finger is poking out. I'm going to go in there. Turn it inside out once more. And put your finger in there where the opening is. And just keep cutting. And look at it as you cut. Turn it inside out. And make sure you're not cutting the thread. So see that. Okay, I haven't cut the thread. I can keep on going. And sometimes it's best to just cut up. Like you see how I'm going up with the cutting? That way you can kind of feel around, make sure there's no excess cap or lace being cut. Just cut up. Make sure there's no lace. A little bit more. And that'll do. So now I'm going to go in, cut that a little bit. And cut off the excess cap that's on the inside. Be very careful, guys. And you don't have to do this pattern unless you want to. I just like it because I'm about to do a frontal with some curly human hair. So this is what it looks like. Okay. This is the way it was when it was on the cap where I sewed it. And the reason you turn it inside out is for this reason. So it can look seamless once again. So now, I'm going to put it on there. Fold it inside. There you go. Okay. And yeah, that's how you do it. And then you would ventilate or use a nitpicker and crochet or ventilate the holes. You can draw a little frontal with a marker or something around here, or use concealer or makeup or eyeshadow so you can do a hairline. I'm just going to do it all the way right, like straight. Just do a straight hairline. And then pluck it so that I get it a frontal look. So yeah, guys. Well, that's it. Rate, comment. Okay, guys. So this is the lace frontal I made. I went ahead and hurried up and sewed some tracks on it because I didn't feel like ventilating all of it. So that's what it looks like. You can see that. That's some of the lace. So it's just going to be a lace front. Y'all can see the little threads. Yeah. Little threads right in there. Yep, right there. That's where I sewed the tracks on behind the frontal part. And now, guys, I'm going to place it on my head. I'm going to use some Got2b Glued. And yeah, there's some brown pieces in this hair. Like I said, guys, this is some old hair. These are some old tracks. Some of it's sensational, some of it's Zuri hair that I got from Beauty Supply Store. And it was like bohemian and loose curl or something like that. And they were short pieces. It's a short collection. And the frontal, I made that strand by strand, part of it. And then I got kind of tired of doing the ventilating, so I just added some tracks to it, to the front of the lace. I just basically sewed the lace tracks onto the lace. Y'all can see that. Yeah. That's where it stops. Guys, excuse my fingernail. I feel so ashamed. I need to paint them. I'm going to do a video about doing your own acrylics. Hopefully it goes well. But right now, this don't look too good. Tell the truth, shame the devil. My nails look horrible. Ah! So I'm going to go get some Got2b Glued, put her on, and then I'm going to show you how I get the curls to pop. And yeah, I'm going to do my makeup. So come on with me. Hush.